array is there. সেটা lag হইছে নাকি? So syntax analysis phase of compiler, we are studying about CLR parser yesterday, canonical LR parsers, and here L represents the left to right scanning and capital R represents right mouse derivation. And in case of CLR parsers, the number of lookahead symbol is 1, that is k equal to 1, and therefore it is known as LR1 parser. So in case of closure calculations, some differences are there, okay, in comparison to SLR parser. Here in CLR parser, if A implies alpha dot B beta is a production in II, then one lookahead symbol will be there, like this. One lookahead symbol will be there. Okay. Now we have to find out the productions against this B, like B implies gamma from the gamma, and add B implies dot gamma into the closure set. So how to calculate these lookahead symbols for this closure? So for that particular part, we have to go for this beta A, beta and then A. Calculate first of beta A and determine the B. And these B symbols will be the lookahead symbols for these productions. Clear? So now here consider one gamma Z, S implies capital C, capital C, capital C implies small a, capital C, and capital C implies small d. After augmenting the gamma, we will get Z dash, and then introducing one new non-terminal S dash implies the start symbol S, that is S dash implies capital S, and then rest all the productions will be same. S implies CC, C implies AC, and C implies D. Now come to the canonical item set. So start with the I0 item. I0 means here we will consider the start symbol as our current input symbol. Okay. So in I0 we consider it dot S because S is the current input symbol. And by default the lookahead symbol for the current input symbol, start symbol, that is start symbol, is dollar. You have to notice or note down this point. So in this particular production, dot followed by a capital letter, that is capital S. That is why we have to calculate the closure for capital S. So what is the productions against S? S implies CC. So now we have to add S implies dot CC according to the closure algorithm. Capital S implies dot CC. What is the beta here? Beta is null. So what is first of beta dollar? That is, and first of dollar returns dollar itself. That is why we add here dollar. And similarly, in this particular production, S implies dot CC dollar, dot followed by a non-terminal. Compute the closure for the dot capital C here. We will get two another production as a closure set. C implies AC and C implies D. Again, put the dot symbols in front of these two right hand side. So now go for the calculation of lookahead for these two production. What is beta here? Beta is C. Lookahead is dollar. So first of beta dollar. First of beta dollar is first of C dollar. First of C means from the grammar we can have first of C is small a and small d. That is why we have to write all the first symbols as a lookahead symbols. A oblique D, A oblique D. So this way we calculate all the canonical item set I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, I6, I7, I8, I9, and finally we get this canonical item set for the given gamma for CLR parsing. So in this particular set, canonical item set, we can notice some peculiarity like in I3, if you notice, capital C implies small a dot capital C comma look ahead symbol is A oblique D. Okay, capital C implies A dot C comma A oblique D, and here we can say this part is the core part. This part is the core part. For each and every item set I0, I1, I2, we can separate the productions into two parts. Okay, one is the core part. That is, suppose in I2 this is the core part, and these are the look ahead parts. These are the look ahead parts. So this way we can find out core part and look ahead part from each item set. Now, if you consider the core part of this I3 item set productions, that is C implies A dot C, C implies dot AC, and C implies dot D, and the look ahead symbols are A oblique D, A oblique D, A oblique D, A oblique D. So can you find some other item set where this core part is similar but look ahead part is different? Is there any item set where core part is similar and then look ahead part is different? Yes. In I, yes, I6 we have the core part is similar with I3. Core part is similar with the I3. See, C implies A dot C, C implies A dot C, C implies dot AC, C implies dot AC, C implies dot D, C implies dot D. But in I3, look aheads are A oblique D, and in I6, look aheads are dollar, dollar, dollar. Similarly, in 5C, in 4, what is there? In 4C, C implies D dot, and look ahead is A oblique D. Is there any other set where C implies D dot is there? I7, yes. So in I7, the look ahead part is dollar, in I4, look ahead part is AD, and core part is similar. So I4 is similar with I7. Can you mute your microphones, all of you? I4 and I7 core part is similar, and then for I6 and I3 core part is similar, look ahead part is different. Clear? Now, okay, skip this one, okay? It will not allow. In I8 and I9, C implies AC dot, C implies AC dot, but look at part is different. So I8 and I9, core part is same. C implies AC dot, C implies AC dot. Yes or no? So in I8 and I9, core parts are same. In I0, there is no similar core part. I1, there is no, and I2 also, and I5 also. Okay. I0, I1, I2.
और बस तुम अपना म्यूट कर लो ना, सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है सर का आवाज.
Kindly mute your microphones, everyone. Okay, fine. I0, I1, I2, I5, a particular cascaded I0, I1, I2, I5 or similar core part 9. There is no any core similar. Okay. But in case of I3, I6, it is similar. In case of I4 and 7, it is similar. And 8 and 9, core parts are similar. And locate parts are different. Okay. This is a very interesting point in our canonical item sets. We will consider these characteristics of this canonical item set sometimes later. Okay, a few minutes later. So now come to the construction of the table. How to construct the canonical LR parsing table. All the rules for CLR parsing table is similar with the SLR parsing table rule, whatever we have discussed. Okay. See the first one. Construct C dash, that is I0, I1, I2, IN, the collection of sets of LR1 items for. It is same with the previous one, SLR parsing algorithm. Except for previously it was 0, now it is 1. We replace the K value with 1. Come to the second point. Step I of the parser is constructed from II. Similar, the parsing actions, again we need all the actions. What are the actions for SLR parsing table? Shift, reduce, go to, accept, and error. Okay, shift, reduce, accept, and error, and on another was go to. For step small I. And how to determine these actions? As follows. If A implies alpha dot small a beta dot followed by a terminal. In SLR parsing, we have seen if dot followed by a terminal, then the action will be always shift. So both are same. In case of SLR parsing and in case of CLR parsing, the action shift operation procedure is similar. Okay, go to the point. If A implies alpha dot a beta comma b, locate symbol will be there. This is the exception. Is in II and go to IIA. This is the A equal to IJ. We have to find out the go to. So how to find out the go to? We will not discuss now because we have already discussed about the go to. Then say action IA. I means this small I. A means this is the input symbol, and to shift Z. Here A must be a terminal. Here this A must be a terminal. So action IA means this represents the parsing table M of IA. M of IA. This is the I and this is the A. M of IA means, suppose if I say M of 3D, M of 3D. Okay, I means 3 and A means D. Then which particular entries it will represent? 3D. This is this one. Action or M3D. That means this particular production it will represent. Particular entry it will represent. There is shift. Now go to the second part, that is reduce. It's little bit different from the SLR parsing. In case of SLR parsing, if dot is the last symbol, then we need to calculate the follow for capital A. I think all of you remember this point. But in case of CLR parsing, remember, in case of CLR parsing, no need to calculate the follow. Here, no need to calculate the follow. No need. No need. Okay. That means if you have any questions from CLR parsing in your exam, then don't go for the computation of follow. Okay. The follow symbols can be find out from these look aheads. That will be, this follow will be replaced by the look aheads. So now see, if A implies alpha dot A is in II, and where this A not is equal to S dash, point to be noted. Capital A implies S dash, but remember A should not be the by default start symbol. IA to reduce A implies alpha. Reduce A implies alpha. So what is the difference from SLR parsing? Here action IA, and in SLR parsing it was IB. Okay, and this was B. B was the follow terminals, follow set. Okay, but here A is the look aheads. This is the difference between SLR parser and the CLR parser, the main difference. Okay, first difference we have what? SLR look ahead symbol 0, CLR it is 1. Next come to the here. Each and every productions will have a look ahead. For reduce, for SLR parsing we need to calculate the follow. For CLR parsings, the look ahead symbol will replace the followed symbols. That is, in case of reduce, we use here B, and B is the follow of A terminals. But here we will use A instead of B, and where A is the look ahead symbols of this production. Okay. Now come to the third point. If S dash implies S dot, because here one restriction is there. Here capital A not equal to S dash. Now if we consider capital A as S dash, then what will be happen? If S dash implies S dot, comma dollar, by default it will be dollar, remember. By default it will be dollar. If it is S dash in the left hand side, then by default the look ahead symbol will be dollar. You can see the production side also. See, if S dash is there, then by default look ahead symbol will be okay. So if it is in II, this production is in II, then same action I dollar. This I will come here. This is the current input state. Dollar will be the current input symbol, and then go to accept. I think this particular table constructions rules are clear for you, because it is almost similar to the SLR parsing, whatever we have discussed. Because only the differences are there. Difference will kiki. SLR parsing developed look ahead to 0 hoy. LR 0 asile. Or CLR parsing LR 1 asile. Baki construction of canonical item set gote functions kini eke. Second to amar actions kini ase. Actions bila kiki asile? Shift, reduce, accept, or error. Or another one is there, go to. আৰু এটা আছিলে go to. এই গোটেই কেইটাৰ কাৰণে আমি ক্যালকুলেশনস বিলাক চাব লাগিব যে কেনেকৈ আমি ক্যালকুলেশনস বিলাক কৰো প্ৰথম আহিলে শিফট শিফটৰ কাৰণে গোটেইখিনি একে এসএলআৰ পার্সিংত যি কৰিছিলে সিএলআৰ পার্সিংতো একে dot will be followed by a অৰ্থাৎ ডটৰ পিছত টার্মিনাল লেটাৰ এটা থাকিব আৰু যদি টার্মিনাল লেটাৰটো আছে ক'ত আছে in ii then go to iia ii is the current input state a is the current input symbol then output will be IC and set action IA equal to or IA to shift Z and remember here A must be a terminal. This is similar to the SLR person. Now come to the reduce. If A implies alpha dot comma A, here A is the look ahead symbol, is in II, then A not equal to A should not equal to S dash. Always remember this point. A should not be equal to the by default start symbol. Okay? And then set action IA to reduce A implies alpha. Reduce A implies alpha. So what is A here? A is the look ahead symbols. So no need to compute the closure follow set. No need to compute the follow set for capital A. So in case of SLR parsing ক্ষেত্ৰত আমি কি কৰিছিলো A follow উলিয়াইছিলো আৰু ইয়াত B বহাই দিছিলো এইখিনিত বহাই দিছিলো কিন্তু এতিয়া আমি follow খিনি উলিয়াব নালাগে ঠিক তেনেদৰে C কাৰণে আমি চাইছিলো লাষ্ট প্ৰডাকশনটো যে if A implies S dash is in II and look ahead is the dollar then what to do set action I dollar to SH. So come to the third, it is go to and it is almost similar to the SLR parsing. Go to transitions for I are constructed for all non-terminals capital A. That means if A implies alpha dot B beta, this is a production. All non-terminals, that means dot followed by a non-terminal. All non-terminals. If dot followed by a non-terminal, then we have to find out the go-to. What is the go-to? Go to II capital A. Here it is B. Equal to IZ. Then go to IA equal to Z. Now, we have done two main rule. Main rule is the 2. And when under the rule 2, we got 3 different points, 3 different actions, and rule 3. So all entries not defined by the rule 2 and 3. Table khonot, jekhon ami table pam, table khonot jodi 2 aru 3 rule keta apply korar pisot kisuman entry ase sibilakor definition nai. অর্থাৎ blank entry blank হৈ আছে তেনেকুৱা blank entry বিলাকক আমি কি বুলি কম all entries not defined by rules 2 and 3 not defined by rules 2 and 3 means blank entry okay and it will be known as error entries in the table will be known as error so here suppose these are the entries not defined by the rule numbers 2 and 3. Here these are the entries not defined by the rule numbers 2 and 3. These are the entries not defined by rule number 2 and 3. Here one entry. So these positions will be known as error. These are the errors. Because these positions not defined by the rule number 2 and 3. Similarly here. So these are the errors. And then fifth point, the initial state of the parser is the one constructed from the set of items containing s dash implies dot s comma dollar. So মই বাৰে বাৰে এইটো কথা কৈ আছো যে আমি সদায় কি কৰিম ইনিশিয়াল স্টেটটো সদায় এই পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ স্টেটমেন্টটো আমি লিখিব লাগিব that is in I0 I0 আমি সদায় এই স্টেটমেন্টটো লিখিব লাগিব লেফট হ্যান্ড সাইডে নতুনকৈ আমি ধৰি লোৱা নন টাৰ্মিনেলটো আৰু ৰাইট হ্যান্ড সাইডে start symbol as a current input symbol and locate will be dollar. Okay, so now for example of this statement shift reduce now you can I will ask suppose if you consider this particular production okay a particular production dot কোৱাচোন কোনে কবা নিহালে কোৱাচোন যে একশনটো শিফট হ'ব নে গো টু হ'ব না ৰিডিউস হ'ব কি হ'ব নিহাল কৌশিক এই পার্টিকুলার প্রোডাকশনটোৰ কাৰণে কি হ'ব শিফট হ'ব জোনালী জোনালী আছে নে তাতে
Yes, sir.
কি হ'ব এই হালতীয়া কৰি থোৱা জেগাখিনিৰ কাৰণে ইয়াতে একশনটো কি হ'ব শিফট ৰিডিউস এৰর একসেপ্ট অর গো টু
Sir, save thaba.
সবে বুজি পাইছেনে কাৰণ ডটৰ পিছত টাৰ্মিনেল আছে গতিকে শিফট হ'ব ঠিক আছে ঠিক তেনেদৰে এতিয়া যদি মই সুদীপ পল এই পার্টিকুলার প্রোডাকশনটোৰ কাৰণে কি হ'ব সুদীপ পল I1 ৰ কাৰণে কি হ'ব সুদীপ পলক সুধিছো ইয়াৰ কাৰণে কি হ'ব Sudeep. Sudeep is there. Mosumi. আনসাৰটো সোনকালে দিবা নোৱাৰিলে নোৱাৰো বুলি ক'বা কাৰণ আমি আগবাঢ়িব লাগিব আৰু নহলে মই বুজাই দিম ডাউট থাকিলে মই বুজাই দিম ভয় খাব নালাগে ঠিক আছে টাইমটো গৈ থাকিব নালাগে অনলাইন ক্লাছ জোনালী কাক সুধিছিলো মৌচুমী
Sir.
কোৱা এইটো কি আহিব কি আহিব এইটো কি আছে লেফট হ্যান্ড সাইডে এ আছে এস ডেস আছে হয় না আৰু ডটটো একেবাৰে শেষত আছে তেতিয়াহলে আমি কোনটো ৰুল এপ্লাই কৰিম accept কাৰণ আমাৰ লোকেটো কি আছে ডলাৰ আছে এতিয়া আমি ৰুলটো কি পাই আছিলো ৰুলটো কি পাইছিলো এইটো ৰুল পাইছিলো না এইটো ৰুল পাইছিলো যে if s dash implies s dot আমাৰ তাতো এটোই আছে comma dollar is in I then set action I dollar to accept হয় না একে হয় না এটো লগত s dash implies s dot comma dollar then action will be what accept ক'ত লিখিম আমি accept টো ক'ত লিখিম টেবুলখনৰ ক'ত লিখিম I1 আৰু এফালে কি হ'ব ইয়াত কি হ'ব ডলাৰ $1 আমি কি লিখিম
Accept.
এটা টেবুলখন চোৱা আছে 1 or ডলাৰত আমি কি লিখিছো চোৱা 1 or ডলাৰত কি লিখিছো accept ঠিক আছে ঠিক তেনেদৰে আৰু দুটামান এক্সাম্পল চাওঁ মই এইখিনি গোটেই কৰা নাই কাৰণ অলৰেডি তোমালোকক কৰাইছোৱে এছএলআৰ কৰাইছিঙত আমি আৰু এটা প্ৰডাকশন চাম I5 কোনে ক'বা আনসাৰ দিয়া I5 S implies CC dot comma dollar. So which actions we can apply for I5? Himangsu Sangmai. তা কোনে পাৰিব কোৱা? বিপন দাস, আমাৰ সদীপ পল নাই তাতে, সদীপ পলক মই আঁতৰাই দিব লাগিব। নিহাল, মনেশ, ইচিতা, কোনে কৈছা?
নিহাল।
কোনে ক'লা? অ'কে, নিহালে কৈছা। কি বুলি ক'লা? Accept?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Okay. See?
Yes, sir.
Accept হ'বলৈ হ'লে আমি এতিয়া চাব দেই, ঠিক আছে, সেইকাৰণে ক'ব লাগে, আনচাৰটো ক'ব লাগে সেইকাৰণে। Accept হ'লে আমি কি বুলি কৈছিলো, বাৰে বাৰে কৈ আছিলো যে এইটো ষ্টাৰ্ট চিম্বলৰ, ইয়াতে ষ্টাৰ্ট চিম্বলৰ লগত জড়িত। Acceptটো সদায় ষ্টাৰ্ট চিম্বলৰ লগত জড়িত। Accept সদায় ষ্টাৰ্ট চিম্বলৰ লগত জড়িত। মনত ৰাখিবা দেই। ইয়াতে কি হৈছে, S dash আছে নেকি ইয়াতে? Is it S dash?
No, sir.
No. S dash হলেহে আমি ৰুলটো চোৱা এবাৰ। If এইটো চোৱা, reduce to ক'ত হৈছে? A not equal to S dash. A not equal to S dash. আৰু যদি A equal to S dash হয়, তেতিয়া আমি কি লিখিম? Accept লিখিম। আৰু যদি A not equal to S dash হয়, তেতিয়া কি লিখিম? কি লিখিম?
reduce,
Reduce.
লিখিম।
Reduce.
এতিয়া আমাৰ ইয়াত চোৱাচোন কি হ'ব এতিয়া? এইটো কি হ'ব? R5 কি হ'ব?
reduce,
Reduce.
ধুনীয়া, reduce হ'ব। এতিয়া reduce টো মই ক'ত লিখিম? যে 5 ৰ এগেইনষ্টত লিখিম। Reduce ক'ত লিখিম? 5 ৰ এগেইনষ্টত। কেপিটেল M of 5। ইয়াত কি লিখিম এতিয়া? ইয়াত কি লিখিম? কি আছিলে ইয়াতে?
Dollar.
I and A. A মানে কি? Look ahead. So ইয়াত look ahead কি আছে? I5 ৰ?
Dollar.
So we have to put dollar here. So M of $5, what we have to write? What we have to write? Reduce A implies alpha, the whole production. So what is the production here? S implies CC. That means we have to write there, reduce S implies CC. But we know that what is the number of this production? S implies CC. What is the number of that production? 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is the first production. So what we have to write? R1. Okay? R1. So in the percent table, against 5 and dollar, we have to write R1. And dollar, see, 5 and dollar, we put what? R1. তোমালোকৰ মাইক্ৰফোনটো অফ কৰি ল'বা, মই নামটো ক'লে অন কৰি ল'বা, ঠিক আছে? মাইক্ৰফোনটো অফ কৰি ল'বা, আৰু মই যেতিয়া কুৱেশ্যনটা সুধিম তেতিয়া অন কৰি পেলাই লগে লগে আনচাৰটো দি আকৌ অফ কৰি ৰাখিম। $5 কি ওলাইছে এতিয়া? R1. তেনেকৈ আমি আৰু এটা চাম, চাই পেলাই আজি এইটো বেলেগ এটা টপিকত যাম আকৌ। Come to the I8. I8 ত কি হ'ব? AC dot comma AD. C implies AC dot comma AD. Isita, কি হ'ব ইয়াতে? Action to কি হ'ব? Reduce. ৰিপন দাস, কি লিখিম, ক'ত লিখিম? Reduce to ক'ত লিখিম? ৰিপন আছেনে? 24 left, report that 9. মৌচুমী ক'ত লিখিম m of কি হ'ব মৌচুমী আছে
I8.
কোৱা ইয়াত কি হ'ব আইটো কি হ'ব 8 গুড 8 আৰু ইয়াতে ইনপুটটো কি হ'ব কি আছে d গুড a, d আমাৰ দুটা আছে আৰু m of 8 8 নম্বৰ ৰটো আৰু a আৰু d এগেইনষ্টত আমি কি লিখিম ৰিডিউস c implies
AC.
c plus ac মানে কি নম্বৰ প্ৰডাকশন আছিল এটো দুই নম্বৰ নেকি সেকেন্ড প্ৰডাকশন c plus ac সেকেন্ড প্ৰডাকশন গতিকে আমি কি লিখিম r লিখিম 8 or 8 এর এগেইনষ্টত r2 লিখিম চোৱাচোন 8 or c এটো c আছে চাবা দেই মই এটো a বুলি ধৰিছো এটো c a to a হ'ব দেই এটো তোমালোকে কাৰেকচন কৰি লব তুমি কাৰেকচন কৰিব থাকি গল তাৰমানে গ্ৰামাৰটো কিতাপখনত দিয়া গ্ৰামাৰটো এটো স্মল c লৈছে আৰু মই স্মল a লৈছো বাকি একে আছে সব এটা পইণ্টটো ক'বাত কাষতে লিখি থোৱা বহিত ক'বাত লিখি থোৱা কিতাপখনত a স্মল c টোৰ ঠাইত স্মল c আছে আৰু মই মোৰ এক্সাম্পলটোত যেটো আমি এক্সাম্পল লৈছিলো ইয়াতে স্মল a লৈছো so in your book this a is replaced by small c ঠিক আছে মই স্মল c টো আঁতৰাই দিছো স্মল a বুলি লিখিছো এটো কনফিউজ হ'ব নালাগে মই তো স্লাইডটো বনাওঁতে পাহৰি গলো গতিকে a টো স্মল a হ'ব a আৰু d হ'ব আৰু a আৰু d এর এগেইনষ্টত আমি কি পালো r2 ঠিক আছে সবে বুজি পাইছে আরবাস বুজি পাইছে বসমি এটা বুজি পাইছে
Yes, sir.
ওকে আমি গো টু এটা চাম এটা গো টু চাম এটা গো টু চাই লও ৰিডিউস চালো শিফট চালো এসএফ চালো এটা গো টু চাম গো টু ক'ত পাম আমি গো টু ইয়াতে পাম s implies .cc, $. go to কোনে হ'ব দিয়া I0 if I place .c as an input symbol then go to will be where s implies cc c.c dollar ক'ত আছে
I5.
yes
I5.
no c.c dollar I5 of cc dot আছে remember this dot should be come here in between these two not the last
I2.
I2 yes.
I2, sir.
Good. I2 so in I0 if we place capital C as an input then it will move immediately to I2 okay so then in rule if we see go to here it is 0 capital A is the capital C and this is I2 yeah it is I0 capital C input হিচাপে দিছো তেতিয়ালে go to কি হৈছে IJ means I2 এটা আমি টেবুলখনত কি লিখিম then what we have to add in table go to I means 0 A means C 0 and C what will be the output J it is 2 so see the table against 0 and C we have to add 2 see the table 0 and C we have added here 2 clear is it clear everyone
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clear.
আৰু আমি এটা চাও লাষ্ট আৰু এটা চাও আনসাৰ দিব সবে পাৰিলে আৰু ক'ত হ'ব তেনেকুৱা ইয়াত হ'ব I3 হ'ব in I3. Capital C implies A dot C comma AD. So now we have to look for AC dot AD. Where it is available AC dot AD?
I8.
I8. এতিয়া মন কৰিব দেই তোমালোকে এই গুটেইটো মিলিব লাগিব A dot C AD look ahead to মিলিব লাগিব বুজি পাইছা look ahead to মিলিব লাগিব ক'বাত যদি A dot C ডলাৰ আছে then you can't consider it A dot C both are same but look ahead is not same here dollar and AD okay in etu নহব etu consider নহব so in I3 if we placed capital C as an input then it will move to I8 so আমি parsing table খন কি লিখিম against the I3 against 3 comma capital C the output will be the go to will be what 8 go to will be 8 see 3 and C 8 or then 3 and C 3 and C is it 8 3 and C is 8 so this way we can calculate all the actions for shift reduce accept and go to okay we can calculate all these things so now I always saying about the transition diagram and this is the transition diagram this way we can draw the transition diagram okay there's a one type here if you see this is the I0 no need to write these things ekhini nilikhilo hobo এই বিলাক নিলিখিলেও হ'ব তোমালোকে আছে অকল ৰাউন্ড দি পেলাই এখিনি লিখিলেও হ'ব so if I0 is the current input state capital C is the output state then what will be the output C is the input symbol or current input symbol then output will be I2 অর্থাৎ I0 capital C দিলে I2 ले যাবে similarly in I0 if we place small c or in our grammar this small c is replaced by small a then it will move to I3 in I0 if we place small d then it will move to I4 okay আমি অলরেডি যিবোৰ প্ৰডাকশন আকি আছিল কেনেকৈ আকিছিল তো আমি যদি ইয়াতে স্মল d দি দিও স্মল d দিলে আমি কলৈ যাম I4 লৈ যাম so এইটো ট্ৰানজিশন ডায়াগ্ৰাম ইয়াত এনেকৈ আকি দিছে কিতাপখনত এনেকৈ আকা আছে ভয় খাব নালাগে তোমালোকে এই পাৰ্টিকুলাৰ প্ৰডাকশন বিলাক ইয়াত নিলিখিলেও হ'ব দিস ইজ অপশন no need to write all these productions in transition diagram it will take lots of time okay it consumes lots of time so skip this simply write I0 I2 I1 I5 I6 I9 like that suppose I0 C দিলো I2 পালে আকৌ I2 কি কি ইনপুট আছে capital C small d this is small a capital C small d again these are the outputs I5 I6 I7 I8 okay again draw the outputs for each and every current input state so this way we can draw the transition diagram for our CLR parsing table and this is the parsing table I think no doubt up to this LR parser will complete today this one also LALR parser LALR parser look ahead LR parser LA means L means look ahead look A means ahead and this LR parser the same meaning L for left to right scanning, and R for rightmost derivation. Okay, this LR we have already discussed it. L for left to right scanning, R for rightmost derivation, L for look ahead, A for L for look, A for ahead. Look ahead, LR parser. So now, in this particular set, we have to check the core part and the look ahead part. In our canonical item set, already we have seen in I3, look ahead part is similar with the I6 look ahead part. Sorry, core part, not look ahead part. I3 core part is similar to the core part of the I6. Core area of 3 and 6 are similar. But the look ahead parts are different. So in LALR parser, what to do? Just perform the union operation. Do you remember the union operation of set theory? Union operation of set theory. That means we have to join or combine all the symbols from set A and from set B without repeating any element. It a capital A set to the same or A or D, capital B set to the set all. So after performing the union operation, we will get what? One set with A, comma, D, comma, dollar. So this is, it will be the union operations output for I3 and I6. So I3 and I6, we will get what? Core part will be similar and look ahead will be different. Similarly for I4 and 7, core part is similar, look ahead part is different. After combining both 4 and 7, we will get what? C implies D dot and look ahead. After combining the look ahead, A oblique D oblique dollar. So in LALR parser, you have to do this part only. See? In 3.6, the core part is similar and we perform the union operations for the look ahead symbols. Similarly, in case of 4.7, the core part is same, look ahead part combined, AD dollar. And in I8.9, core part is same, look ahead part is combined or union. Okay, and finally, after doing or after combining the core parts and the look ahead symbols, finally we will get the canonical item set for CLR parser is this. I0, there is no change. I1, there is no change. I2, there is no change. Because 3 is combined with 6. It is I6. 4 is not there. 4 is combined with 7. 6 is not there. 6 is combined with 3. 7 is not there. 7 is combined with 7. 4, 7. I4, 7. 8 and 9 is not there. 8 and 9 is combined and form one another state, I8, 9. So now, how to compute the go-to for this canonical item set of LALR parser? This is the canonical item set for, remember, this is the canonical item set for LALR parser. Okay, আমি go to কেনেকৈ আঁকিম go to আঁকিবলৈ খুব ভাল ইয়াতে dot ac ইয়াত আছে so c implies dot acad I0 আমি input হিসাবে লৈছো dot a so what will be the output will be I36 because c implies a dot c is there here and look at symbols ad are also present here because it's a union operation or oblique symbol is there we can consider any of two or any one or all the three symbols all the three symbols I0 small a input হিসাবে দিলে ই কলৈ যাব I36 লৈ যাব ঠিক তেনেদৰে আমি যদি I2 টো চাও S implies C dot C dollar the CC dot dollar code আছে CC dot dollar okay it's very simple it will moves to I5 I2 যদি মই C input হিসাবে দিও তেতিয়ালে ই কলৈ মুভ কৰিব it will moves to I5 itself I5 only. Capital C is the input here. But in case of here, C implies dot AC dollar. We need A dot C dollar. In I2, if we place dot A as an input, then it will move to where? I36. I36. I2 dot A I36. Clear, I think? Is it clear to everyone? So now remember, in the previous case, we consider I3 as an individual item set. Now in LALR, we will consider I36 as an input or as a state. I36 is in one state. I47 don't consider it as a separate state. I4 and I7, no. I4, I7 both are combined now and I47 will be the output. And rest, all the rules are similar with CLR parsers. All the algorithms for constructing the LLR parsing table and moves made by SLR, CLR, LLR parser all are same. Algorithms is same. So this is the parsing table for LLR parser, and here you can see it is calculated from this canonical item set. Calculated from here. So in 0, in C, if we consider the C, output will be S36. Okay. In the example, in CLR, you can see it is 3. In CLR parsing, it is CLR. In CLR, you can see it is 3, S3. But in case of SLR, now there is no any state like S3. 3 and 6 both are combined. That is why we placed here it is S36. So in case of CLR, it was S4 or S7. Now there is no any statements, states like S4 or S7. Both are combined and finally it will be S47. So rest all are same. And here states are decreased. 0, 1, 2, 3, 6. This is the new state. 3, 6, 4, 7, 5, and 8, 9. These statements are combined. 3 with 6, 4 and 7, 8 and 9. So these are the exercises for you. Go through it and try to do it. Okay. So now if you have any query or doubts, then kindly ask. যদি কিবা query আছে সোধা কাৰোবাৰ কৰি আছে যদি সুধিব পাৰা আবাস কৰি আছে যদি সুধিব পাৰা জোনালী মৌচুম শইকীয়া নিহাল লুপ্তি Papan Tama, if you have any query, you can ask.
No, sir.
Okay, good. Mosumi, no doubt?
No, sir.
কোৱা মৌচুমী শুনি আছো কোৱা
Nice, sir. Doubt নাই।
নাই বুলি কৈ অকে নাই গুড আৰু আমাৰ কোন থাকিলে মানুহবোৰ গুচি গৈছে জোনালী ইচিতা ডিম্পি আজি ডিম্পি নতুনকৈ জইন কৰিছে নেকি ডিম্পি আগত অহা নাইতো কেতিয়াও ডিম্পি ভাগ্যশ্ৰী এনি ডাউট
Yes, sir. মোৰ ফোন প্ৰব্লেম দি
Yes,
আছিলে
sir.
সেইটো কাৰণে
ভাগ্য